living testament to the fact that selecting a diminutive physical footprint absolutely does not necessitate any compromise on the pursuit of exceptional, high-level design, offering its fortunate residents an authentically distinctive, profoundly stylish, and inherently liberating way of navigating life, all conveniently contained within a perfectly finished, easily towable structure. The captivating descriptor, retro living on the move, a mid-century tiny house on wheels tour, instantly suggests a compelling fusion where the cherished aesthetic language of a former age is skillfully interwoven with the profound spatial and temporal freedom sought in the modern era. This distinctive dwelling transcends the common definition of a mere diminutive structure mounted on an axle. Instead, it is a highly intentional, fully portable tribute to the exuberant mid-century modern MCM movement, a design epoch fundamentally distinguished by its core principle of utility dictating form, its signature application of unadorned, often structurally dynamic lines, and its keen appreciation for naturally derived contours and visually arresting color combinations. The finished concept provides an ingenious solution to the contemporary aspirations for a scaled-back, mindful existence and the unparalleled flexibility of mobility, thereby conclusively demonstrating that an unyielding dedication to polished, historically informed style can be perfectly realized within a notably confined physical envelope and a fully transportable chassis. The very moment an individual steps inside the structure, they are immediately immersed in an atmosphere that perfectly encapsulates the hopeful exuberance and inherent chickness of the post-war decades, creating a deliberately cultivated air of nostalgia that remains both crisply contemporary and deeply enduring. The bedrock of this retro environment is meticulously laid through the intelligent and judicious application of materials that possess both intrinsic quality and authentic character. One should anticipate encountering a substantial utilization of woods exhibiting a deep, attractive grain, such perhaps as rich teak or warm, rosewood-toned veneer finishes, extensively employed across the streamlined bespoke cabinetry, integrated library shelving, and distinctive accent wall installations design, choices that instantly confer a sense of enveloping warmth and sophisticated texture to the inherently limited area.